some makeup together today. I've already got me a nice little PSL with cold foam and pumpkin pie sauce, and it's really, really good. Okay, so let's get into the makeup. I've already prepped my face with the Paula's Choice and the e.l.f. SPF cream. That's been sitting for a little bit, and on the lips I have some Blistex, and now I'm gonna get into the foundation routine. Honestly, it's not much at all. I use two products. Concealer to conceal my dark marks, and then I use 1 to 2 pumps of the Sephora Better Skin Foundation on my forehead. So I'm gonna start with the concealer first because that's usually where I need the most coverage. And this concealer is from Pure. This is the 4-in-1 Sculpting Concealer in the shade DPN1. Before, they used to have the packaging with the clip. Now it's just a twist lock. So I'm just gonna apply concealer where I need it. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend it out. And I like to blend this out quickly in stippling motions because it has really, really high coverage. So it's one of those concealers, if you leave it where you place it and it dries, you're going to have like a really harsh line of demarcation and you're going to have a hard time blending it out. Whatever's left over, I'm just gonna gently take around my mouth, and that's the coverage. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to the center of my face. So I go in with the Best Skin Ever foundation. This is the shade 53.5 Neutral, and I'm just gonna do a half pump and another half pump, like literally that much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my nose to bring the center of the face together so I can blend the concealer and the foundation. And then I'm just gonna stipple this on as well. So now we're looking super even. And we barely have anything on. Okay, and now for the concealer. Concealer, we're using the IRL Finish Concealer in the shade 13.5. And I just like to spread a little on the chin and some on the forehead. That's it. I'm gonna take my sponge and just blend that out. Okay, that's it for the base. 3 products: concealer, a pump and a half of foundation, and that's really it. I'm gonna go over once more just to blend everything downwards along my jaw. Okay, and now we're just gonna go ahead and set the face. Today I'm gonna be using the Too Faced powder, and this is the original Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. Okay, so I've already set my face with the Morphe Continuous Prep. Now I'm gonna go in with the One Size. Another alternative to this though is the Makeup Revolution Super Fix, but it's hot today, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So now we're gonna move on to the eyes, and I'm gonna be using this in the crease and this palette. Alright, here is the completed makeup look. This is my everyday fall makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super simple, super easy. It looks like a beat face, like a full face of makeup, which indeed it is, but using very, very, very minimal products. Like literally. There's just concealer and a pump and a half of foundation on my face. I got some setting powder on. I got some Maybelline powder on, but like very, very simple and affordable products. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Okay, so I decided I would do an outfit of the day, and we're wearing the cargo pants again, but this time we're wearing a rugby shirt, this beautiful green one from Old Navy, and we're wearing the same headscarf. I figured do a little pattern play, like tone on tone, and it's kind of like a blue and a golden yellow, but like kind of like muted colors. And you saw the makeup portion of the Get Ready With Me, so a really nice neutral beat, nothing that really kind of competes, just kind of like a rosy mauvey nude. And then these are some pull-on cargos that I got from Ross. And for the shoes, we're going to be doing the brown and cream, maybe brown and cream dunks, and we're just going to wear some green tube socks, kind of like collegiate socks showing with the rugby. And I just have it tucked in because it's a little bit long. This is the full length of what it looks like, which I don't mind this look either. I just wanted something a little bit more waist cinching. So yeah, super casual. And for jewelry today, I'm gonna be doing rose gold, my rose gold Coach earrings, and then the matching necklace. For perfume, we're doing the Dior Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. I'm going to be wearing this one and the Intense mixed together, and that is the scent of the day. So yeah, just a cute little streetwear urban look for the day. I'm feeling cute, feeling productive. Yeah. Oh, and I demolished that pumpkin spice latte. It was so good. So yeah, I'll be sure to share the video in the second half of the vlog, because this one I made a little bit different. I did use the pumpkin pie sauce, but I used a different creamer, and I used a different cold foam. Instead of the brown butter, I used vanilla, and then for the creamer I used cookie butter, and it gave it completely different flavor, actually creamier. So yeah, I'll share that with you guys in the second half of the video, but I am getting ready to head out, so I'll pick up the camera when I get back. Bye.